A must-win game para sa team ng Cebu mga idol para sa play-in spot. Kayanin kanila ang team ng Bacolod. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Greats versus Bacolod Tubo Slashers. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
I understand how you feel. Kind of like how I feel when it's a Muntinlupa game.
Here's Jun Manzo. Fade away by Manzo. No good. Rebound, Desiderio. Inside, Paul Desiderio gets it on the second serving.
Rebound na. Alam mo yun, hindi yata nang off-balance to simula siya sa mga shots niya. Nice pass.
Yeah, nobody communicating there. Bacolod still looking for its first basket. Doboze. Atake si Mark Doboze.
Pare-pareho.
Sorry ba? Na-mention ko yun ba? Medyo sensitive topic. Derek Villanueva knocks down the three.
That is one guy.
Back the other way, Cebu. Kinyahan to Meneses. Yes. Also in the ball game is Aquino. Ooh, Hamon makes the shot.
Patuloy pa rin naman itong magandang ball and man movement para dito sa Bacolod. They just continue to try and find where that open spot is. But just like this one.
That's wide open. Villanueva. 11-10.
Pangalawang beses na nakaka 3 points yun. Straight up. Pangasinan.
What?
Yeah, he was FD for 1 quarter.
Why? Why did it not happen to me?
Look in the corner.
Villanueva. Jansov inside. Nice pass to Rangel. Ganda ng pasa ni parang pag siniset up na yung kakampi niya sa adobo sa pickleball lang.
Oh. Preparasyon eh, no? Boom Tampos right there with a good finish as well.
Aquino from half court. No. Aquino to Cañal. Sobrevega has it. Derek Villanueva. Pastias will fire.
Good
yes.
Shot. Yeah, that's a good shot. I say because he already had.
Canoy, takbo ulit ang Tubo Slashers. Pastias inside. He scores. Get past Pastias. Canoy gets away. Alde will finish up top.
Oh, wow.
But, you know, always wants to get back to the game. What an alley-oop finish.
Good setup, huh?
Oh.
And then the setup na yun. And that's what you really make the most out of Boom Tampos. Another one incoming.
Yeah, Boom Boom Tampos with a simple finish this time.
Wala.
Here's Kinyahan. Meneses able to gather. He gets his own miss. Goes to J.R. Kinyahan for the easy two.
And every
Doboze thought about it. He knocks down the three.
sabihin ko pa na
Malazarte with the three of his own. Mecca labas kay Meneses. The extra pass to Hubalde for three.
a couple of lefties making shots from the out.
Hindi pumasok ang kanyang layup. Adjay trying to finish on the other side. Let me show you how it's done.
You got a shooter on the wing that's free. That lane's close, you give it up.
Three-point shooting has really keyed Bacolod's performance here. Pero Paulo Hubalde with his second triple. Meneses, Desiderio, yes. The greats are back in front. Manzo, God. What a... halos manipis na rin itong rosters ng dalawang kupunan natin eh.
That's right.
Manzo short on the three.
One more.
Natamaan si Alde Canoy doon. Ni Mark Meneses. Adjay running the floor. Atake si JC Adjay doing what he does best.
A good decision.
Doboze is open. The three, got it.
keeping them in here. In fact, they got the lead right now.
Libre. Canoy nakabuelo. Labas kay Pastias. Kanyal will shoot the three. Very, very confident. Hamon will try again. Off to the right this time. Boom Tampos. Hang time! Nagkape sa ere si Boom.
Low start. Sabi nga ni Coach Dondon, yung simula namin, usually yung nagde-dictate ng laro namin. But after that first half performance, Coach Junti expressed so much.
Manzo. Atake si June Manzo. Specialty.
Yun ang malaking tulong sa kanila. They're shooting so much better from the field compared to that of Cebu Grades. And itong quarter na to, na-hit.
Ignahan.
Sealed. There you go.
Martel for two. Na-rebound para kay J.R. Quinyahan. Desiderio open. And they forgot about him. Ajay will take the three. Doboze. Muntik pa pumasok.
Oh! Oh my!
Ano nangyari dun?
And hindi na-expect ni Mark three-pointers in that third quarter.
Beichong inside. Beautiful drop step and the fifth.
You know, this slow game a little bit on their side. Another rebound.
Yeah. Beichong inside the paint. Labas kay Hubalde. Paulo to Holmqvist. Puts it in. And they forgot about Aquino. Easy two the other way. Duboze to Villanueva. Barrera on the extra pass. He knocks down the three.
Outside of that,
Hubalde. Beichong. Manzo. Posting up on Duboze. Beichong inside. Able to score.
quality minutes rin to si Alvin.
Duboze in a rush. He finishes. Has not been pretty here in the fourth quarter. Maraming mintis. And it's down to 8.
The basket timeout. Yeah. Oh, wow. What a
Duboze
layup.
with a finish. So it's the Cebu Greats prevailing over